Ang dami nilang tinda dito guys. So, meron pang buongon. Tapos breadfruit. May balimbing. Here's a banana. So this is like longan. $5 a pound.
$5 the smaller one, the big one. If you like this one,
$5 a pound. There's also $2.
not too large.
$2. Huh? Wow, that's a lot. Ayan guys, mga fresh na fruits dito. $5. 1.5. Rapa mango. This is a big mango. Mga galing to sa ano guys, mga farmers. Oh, here's the papaya. Looks yummy. This is nalimutan ko ng pangalan dito. Ang dami ditong mabibili guys. Tapos meron din ditong bouquet, oh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ano. Ano to siya? Ang ganda, oh. $10. Mura na siya. $10 lang. Ayan, oh. $10. Tingnan natin sa unahan. Maganda dito mamili guys. Talagang fresh siya. Tapos dito mga vegetable. Mango. Ang lalaki ng mga mango. Ano? Yan, okra oh. Ang laki ng okra. Ang ganda dito mamili. Tapos ito, fruit blend. Salad. Tapos ito, mga pangtanim. Hello. That's nice. What's this?
Nasturtium flower.
Okay. Flower. Ang daming tao ngayon dito. Tapos ito, mga homemade. Tropical fruits. $5. Okay. Tapos ito, avocado, $3. Ano kaya to siya guys? Saging. Wow, sasarap siguro mga saging dito kasi fresh yan. Galing sa puno talaga. Apple, banana. Apple, banana na saging yan. Ang laki ng balimbing, oh. Sweet star fruit. This is so big. Very big. Huh? So big.
Sample right there.
Okay. There's the sample. Let's try it. Star fruit. Balimbing.
This is perfect. Yeah, thank you so much.
You wanna try star fruit?
The pineapple?
Star fruit, this one. Very sweet. We have this in the Philippines. What do you think? It's good? Sweet? Yan, may bayabas. This one is very pretty. It's only $10. Right? It's cheap. Yan, mga damit dito guys. Try natin, tingnan natin mga damit nila. $125. Wow, that's expensive.
Yeah, but you know what?
Oh, ano kaya to siya, oh? Kakaiba.
We're new to this area, so we're
I do.
No, what they call this? They dry it. That's different.
Yes, you are.
Organic homegrown Roselle hibiscus. Roselle hibiscus. That's dry Roselle hibiscus. There's a boko. You wanna try boko? I thought you wanna try.
You guys use that
Oh,
for
pineapple.
That's a boko juice.
I don't know if
That's coconut. That's a coconut. That's a coconut.
move until that day when they need to look at.
And this is really cool.
14, right? So I'm using 6. Yeah.
I don't know. And this is the cocoa.
That's cocoa.
We make coffee. Cocoa.
You can eat that straight or not?
Yeah, the seeds. Yeah. Let's look here. Wow, that's a nice orchids.
Morning. Let me
Wow.
put them in your bag. Okay. You got the price?
It's pretty.
Which other one?
We wanted this one too? Okay, so that'd be 15.
Okay. 15. Yeah, the rest of the stuff in the bag at first.
Yeah.
How much the orchids?
They're 25 each.
25 each?
Yeah, for the plant.
You think we can ship that?
Last Maria.
We just pay by scanning then?
You can pay by scanning, yeah.
Maybe, I don't know. That one is pretty.
What would you like to try?
Well, you want to try the juice?
Yeah, I'll try it.
Fresh juice.
Hi, Maria. Hey, how are you? Mango.
Mango.
Yours, you want to try? I did try.
Let me try the mango.
I'm just having just
I can type her name in if you want. For the
Thank you.
$6 each.
So which one do you like? You want one? I like them all.
It's good. This is good. Oh, ang ganda ng mga necklace dito. I wanna ask her kung pwede ba i-ship yung orchids.